eternal, immortal being, the infinite self of all, is unchanging, unmoving. We believe that we control what occurs in our lives. We believe in our choices, but the flow of the immortal self of yourself, of the infinite whole of being, is unchanged and unmoved, expressing through your thoughts, through your mind, through your beliefs, through what you feel are your choices. That infinite essential beingness, that cosmic essence, is manifesting in your own body, in your own mind, in all the thoughts and feelings that you think you possess, in the rational reasoning that you feel is yours. All this is occurring within the mind of the infinite, within the cosmic mind. You are not separate from that infinite whole. The very essence of all that you are and all that you do is composed of that infinite beingness, infinite aware consciousness. That one divine essence is everywhere in this manifest universe as well as the unmanifest. It is only the false assumption that you have a separate existence, that you are an individual, separate and apart from the whole. This is a false assumption that comes because there is identity with the body, the mind, and the senses, which perceive duality. The senses in the physical structure are designed to perceive in the body and outside of the body. In the sensory experience of the physical form, there is a them and us, a me and other. In that separation between self and other comes the root of suffering, comes the misunderstanding. You know, the original meaning of sin in the Christian tradition is misunderstanding, misplacement. This is the fundamental sin, the misunderstanding, the core belief that the sensory experience of the body is the reality of you, rather than knowing that everything about you is an expression of infinite being, and all the pain and sorrow and difficulty you experience in human life is your pathway, and the joy as well. This is your pathway to find your way back to reality, to find your way back to wholeness. You move through the dream to awaken to the reality of your own self. Recognize the divinity that abides within you. Make friends with that divinity. Know it to be your own self, within and without. The barrier of inner and outer is only the sensory experience of the body. There is no inner and outer to your essence. All is a part of you, and you are a part of everything. Meditate on this, the divinity that lies within you, in every particle of your being. and all around you. And surely you will find the self of yourself, the one immortal essence, the love, unconfined, undefined. All right. Namaskar.